So we're all national educators. What has been your favorite part about being an in-office trainer?
I personally like the relationships that you build with the clients. I feel like the clients really get to know you and trust you one-on-one. I mean, I kid you not, they call me all the time.
And I think they can learn more. It's more personal.
Do you give them your actual cell phone number?
They do have my actual cell phone number because it's on my business card, but I like it like that. You know, they text me.
I agree, same thing.
Yeah. And again, like they don't always ask me something directly as it relates to microneedling. Sometimes it's what can I pair with microneedling? Will this be safe for the customer? And I actually like that because they still have the M-Deepen and they're still representing M-Deepen. So I'm okay with them calling me so that they can stay consistent with the M-Deepen brand.
Yeah, and the one-on-one experience is really good too, because sometimes you hear them say things like, I would have never known that, and you know, thanks for telling me that. And so I really like being able to like debunk some, you know, theories out there about microneedling. So yeah.